The rock cycle. The rock cycle allows us to know how igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks are formed and demonstrates that with certain conditions, any rock type can transform into another. The first stage of the rock cycle is when lava cools extrusively on the surface or when magma cools intrusively below the surface. This process is called crystallization or solidification and forms igneous rocks. Weathering breaks down igneous rocks and is transported and deposited as sediment. Weathering is caused by the daily influences of the atmosphere, which include running water, glaciers, wind, or waves. These sediments are lithified through the processes of cementation and compaction to become sedimentary rock. Compaction is the process where sediment is pressed closer and closer and pore space is closed in. Cementation is a process where as water passes through the sediment, open spaces are filled and particles are joined in a solid mass. These processes create sedimentary rock. If sedimentary rock becomes deeply buried, it experiences great heat and pressure. Heat and pressure change the sedimentary rock into the third rock type, which is metamorphic rock. If metamorphic rock is still experiencing these high temperatures, it will melt and become magma beneath the Earth's surface. It begins the cycle again and again, and it repeats. Rocks do not always follow this exact cycle. Rocks may possibly travel through alternate paths to be formed. Some examples of these paths are, example number 1. After igneous rocks are formed, it could melt again and turn into magma. Intrusive igneous rock could experience heat and pressure and become metamorphic. Uplift, weathering, transportation, and deposition can be lithified into sedimentary rock and then back into sediments. This process can also turn metamorphic rock back into sediments. More heat and pressure can be applied to metamorphic rock and create more metamorphism. The rock cycle helps us understand the origins of igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks, and that these rocks can be transformed into any other type. I hope you enjoyed the show.